Why did they not want to play with her?
Because she is a girl.
Because she's a girl? Is it only because she's a girl? Look what happened when they were running.
She was very slow.
She was really slow, right? But look what happened here. It's ready? As soon as you can, out loud. I take this one as an example. This one says, name 2 minerals or vitamins that you need to build strong bones. Said this is a funny way of reading. Now look at the word funny. What's it say? This is funny, right? Who can tell me what's a word that I should look for when I'm looking around? Yes.
Minerals, vitamins, and bones.
Minerals or vitamins. Actually, if you notice, I took the paragraphs from here, so I don't think bones is going to help you. They're all of us. And as soon as I show it to you, I want you to tell me what the word is. Ready?
Teacher!
Right, that was easy, right? One of those 5 words is the same word. It's a pasta. The other 4 words are different words. When I take away the paper, I want you to tell me as fast as you can. There's a word on the top, there's 5 words at the bottom. Circle the one that's right. Now, here's a question. Is it most important that all the answers are right?
No.
No. You can have a couple of mistakes because I want you guys to be doing this quickly, okay? Use your sight words just fast. 3, 2,
Finish.